Okay, let's try and clear up a problem we have with a set of locks. As you can see, the lock is only going to come out in one position. Okay, pardon me, the key. Now, the lock, this is a quarter turn lock, as you can see by that cam. That notch prevents it from turning more than a quarter of a turn. And I'll show you on a lock I've opened up here. It has a little tip that sticks out there. Call it a centering pin, whatever you want to call it. Okay, that is not the way to put the cam on. Okay, the way you need to put it is to where that falls in that groove. Okay, so now start with the key in the out of the lock. We put it in, turns a little bit, quarter turn. Now watch the nut, see, quarter turn back. Now the key comes out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the cam on here so it better shows up on camera of how it turns. Alright, so we have a cam. Okay, we're going to start with the key in the out position. We go in. Okay, nothing happens. Now, the last quarter turn, it turns the cam. Now, key won't come out. You have to bring it back to home. So, effectively, to turn 90 degrees, watch the key. The key has to turn 180. I hope that makes sense to you. There it's only 90. The key won't come out. Back to straight up and down. So in other words, I'm showing you this even with the cam. That turns, nothing happens the other way. So I think what you may have, Alan, is you may have taken this apart. This may not be correct. Okay, take it apart. This thing will go all the way around until it won't go anymore. And then in putting this on, this is very important, because once you tighten it, you can't tighten this against the little pin or you'll jam the lock and it won't turn at all. So be sure that is in the groove, whether it's that direction or you take this off and spin it around. And then what will happen is, instead of this being a right hand turn lock, I can't make it turn left, okay, because I actually can, because my nut's not tight. That was my error. See down there, let me get my pointer out. That's the space you have to work with. Okay, there's the little pin that stops it. I go left all the way. Now I want to go back right. Okay, stops it. That's unlocked. This is leading towards locked position. Okay, so anyways, you can adjust these. Where's my pin? In several directions, because some locks mount with the flats vertical like this. Some of them mount like that. Video games commonly mount like this. Vending machines are different, but normally like this. And on your vending machine, you do not use a cam like this to lock it. That's why they're not included. You use a piece of the hardware that is in your vending machine. You can see how the locking shaft has two flat sides. So anyways, I hope that clears up some confusion. Just keep in mind that quarter turn, let's do that again, quarter turn, nothing happens. The rest of the way, the other quarter turn is when it actuates the lock. Okay, it's a security feature. Keeps the criminals out. So anyways, I hope that helps. Talk soon.